So I'm building an Apple TV app, right? Not this one, this is just an example. But I needed to work out how to solve the login problem. So the obvious solution is just show something like this, where the user types in their username. That's shit, innit? That takes forever. You hate this, don't you? You hate going through here, trying to type in your name, and then you've got to do your password and get it right. What if I told you there's a better way, and Apple have already done it? Like, I'm going to jump into the code in a minute, but I just wanted to demo it. So this is their shiny TV app. It's their demo app. Literally, you press sign in, you get this nice pop-up, and on your phone, there you go, you get this sign in to shiny TV on your Apple TV. This one's called Hotel. You enter your password. You get your login prompt to sign in. It also supports passkeys and other authentication methods. So I'm going to say Thomas test, and then it's saying it's done, and you're logged in. Fucking simples. Let's jump over to the code. Okay, so you've seen the demo and now you want to look at the code. I don't know why more people aren't using this. Like, I hate it when I'm scanning the QR code shit. You could just send it to my phone. It's natively built in. It's like 3 lines of code. Like, so you just got to have an authentication controller, comply to the authentication controller delegate, right? And then to start an authentication session, you call this perform request, right? And you pass in what methods you want to support. So this is saying authentication for password provider, and we're creating a request. But you could also do something like this. This takes in a WebAuthn challenge domain and a challenge to allow me to validate using pass keys, which is really simple. But you could pass in both. So the user can validate using a passkey, or they can validate using username and password. And then if you come, so that does that, and then you get a callback. So you get a callback on the authentication, did complete authentication, or you get manual, they said they wanted to do it manually, or you get an error. But on this authentication did complete with authorization, you get back an array, not an array, an authorization credential array, which contains the username and the password, or it might be the passkey if you did passkey or stuff like that. You get all of those back, and you can just handle them the same way you're doing it now. Literally, you need to do this and this, and that's all you've got to change. And I think more apps should be doing that because it's so much better. Like, so also to make it auto suggest your username and password, if you go into here in your web credentials, you can put in your domain. So I've put in auth.thomas.net. And of course, at the well-known path, you need to have the Apple App Site Association file. Try saying that 5 times. With the application bundle, which is for me was this one. You have to have your team followed by the application bundle. But this is fucking simple. I don't get it. Like, have you tried scanning the QR code for Netflix? I'm like, but then I've got to do it all again. I'm like, come on, just do this. It's simple. Come on. But yeah, anyway, this is a little rant about how you implement this. I don't really know what this has turned into. But yeah, if you're building an Apple TV app, try implementing this method. There weren't many videos out there about it, so I thought I'd make this one. But yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.